I'm gonna put my elastic in here, fold it over. You can fold it twice. Sometimes I do that if I want it to go flatter. Okay, so the elastic is in here. I'm just going to put it right there in the inside of the sewing machine. I have it set on not a very tight stitch. So first I'm gonna go a little bit forward, then I'm gonna reverse it. Now I'm going to pull the elastic super tight. I'm gonna pinch it at the end so it's still tight in here, and then I'm going to sew. Sorry, it's hard filming this while I'm sewing. Now I'm gonna go all the way to the other end. Okay, when I get to the end, I'm going to reverse again, back and forth, pull it out, and it's created, this is horrible because I did not sew it even, which I'm sorry about, but there you go, it gathers it for you.